Welcome back everyone. I'm Ava, and say hello to Rick. He will help me present this video today. Today, let's talk about 7 nutrient-packed drinks for happy, healthy kids. Are you ready? Let's begin. When it comes to ensuring children maintain a healthy diet, the beverages they consume play just as significant a role as their solid food choices. Here are 7 drink options that can enhance their nutrition, along with recommended daily servings. 1. Water. Water is the most vital drink for children. Aim for about 6 to 8 cups, 1.5 to 2 liters, of water throughout the day, depending on their age and activity levels. To make water more enticing, consider infusing it with slices of fresh fruits such as lemon, strawberries, or cucumber for added flavor. 2. Milk. Milk is an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for healthy bone and tooth development. Children aged 2 to 8 years should have about 2 to 2.5 cups, 500 to 600 milliliters, of milk daily, while those aged 9 to 18 years may need around 3 cups, 720 milliliters. Whether it's cow's milk or fortified plant-based alternatives like almond or soy milk, it can be enjoyed plain as well. 3. 100% fruit juice. While fruit juice offers essential vitamins, it should be consumed in moderation. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends no more than 4 to 6 ounces, 120 to 180 milliliters, of 100% fruit juice per day for children aged 1 to 6 years, and no more than 8 ounces, 240 milliliters, for older children. Choose juices with no added sugars and consider diluting them with water to lower the sugar content. 4. Smoothies. Homemade smoothies are a fun and delicious way to pack in a variety of nutrients. A typical serving can be around 1 cup, 240 milliliters, and can be created by blending 1 cup of fruit, such as bananas, berries, or mango, a handful of leafy greens, like spinach, and a base of 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of milk, yogurt, or plant-based milk. They are nutritious and can be customized to your child's preferences. 5. Coconut water. Coconut water is a naturally refreshing drink that's low in calories and high in electrolytes, making it ideal for hydration, especially after physical activities. For children aged 4 years and older, aim for about 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of coconut water daily. It contains potassium, which helps support healthy muscle function and blood pressure. Choose 100% pure coconut water with no added sugars or artificial flavors. Its slightly sweet and nutty taste can be enjoyed on its own or used as a base for smoothies or fruit slushies. 6. Vegetable juice. Vegetable juice is a nutritious way to help kids consume more vegetables. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces, 120 to 180 milliliters, of low-sodium vegetable juice daily for children aged 1 to 6 years, and up to 8 ounces, 240 milliliters, for older kids. Look for 100% vegetable juice varieties, as they provide essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. Carrot, beet, or mixed vegetable juices are great options. You can even blend vegetable juice into smoothies for added nutrients without sacrificing taste. Combining vegetable juice with a splash of 100% fruit juice can enhance the flavor while retaining nutritional benefits. Incorporating these additional beverage options into your child's diet can provide variety and essential nutrients, promoting their overall health and wellness. Encourage your kids to experiment with different flavors and combinations to discover what they enjoy most. Seven. Herbal teas. For children aged 4 years and up, caffeine-free herbal teas can offer a delightful and healthy alternative. A daily serving of 1 cup, 240 milliliters, warm or iced, allows them to explore flavors like chamomile or peppermint without added sugars. Sweeten it with a hint of honey or serve with a slice of lemon for extra taste. These drinks can help fulfill children's daily nutritional needs and foster healthy habits from an early age. Involve your kids in selecting their favorite flavors and combinations to encourage a positive attitude towards healthy drinking. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about 7 nutrient-packed drinks for happy, healthy kids. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.